Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Quentin here, and welcome to tutorial number 11. And in this tutorial, I want to talk to you guys about operator precedence in PHP. So, what do I mean by operator precedence? Well, I'm simply talking about the ranking or the importance of certain operators over others, okay? Because there are some that are more important than the others and they actually get calculated first. So let's say, for example, I had a variable called apples, and it always seems to be apples these days, but hey. Okay, and I set that equal to 5 plus 3 times 2, okay? Now, some people might be thinking, okay, well, 5 plus 3 is 8 times 2. Okay, well, that's 16. And that's actually not good maths. So let's echo that out and see what we get. So echo out apples. Save this now and go back to Firefox here. I'm just going to have to type in this whole thing, localhost tutorials. Tutorial, this is 11. Okay, so as you can see, I've actually got the answer 11 printed out on the screen or echoed out on the screen. So why is that? Well, 3 times 2 is 6, okay, then plus 5 is 11. Now the reason why this happened was because in mathematics the general rule is that you should always do multiplication before division, okay? So that's what PHP did, because PHP knows that. So it went 3 times 2 is 6 plus 5, well, that's 11. And then it printed out 11 on the screen with this line of code here, okay? So PHP actually knows most of our general rules in mathematics because of this operator precedence thing that I'm talking to you guys about now. Okay, so one thing my teachers always told me when I was doing maths was to always remember BODMAS, okay, which is basically brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so that is actually the order that calculations must be done with in maths. Okay, so always do the brackets first, then you can go on to division, multiplication, addition, and lastly subtraction. Okay, and that's the same thing in PHP. So if I wanted this sum over here to be done first, so if I wanted 5 plus 3 to be done first and then multiply by 2, I could go ahead and put some brackets in here because brackets hold a higher precedence in PHP than the multiplication symbol. So when we save this now and go back to Firefox and click refresh, we now have the answer 16. So that was indeed 5 plus 3, which was 8, times 2, which goes to 16. Okay? And if you guys want a much more detailed table, then you can go back to this link over here. I will leave this link in the description below, so you can go ahead and just click on it. And you'll get this table here of operator precedence in PHP. And as you can see, there's a whole list here. So we've got the multiplication symbol and the division symbol above the addition and subtraction symbol. So obviously whatever's higher up on this table is more important than the stuff that's lower down. And those birds are getting annoying. Okay, so whatever's higher up is more important than the stuff that's lower down. So multiplication and division and modulus will all be done before addition and subtraction. Likewise, if you scroll even further down, you'll see that over here we've actually got all the assignment operators as well. Okay, so not only does PHP know that it has to do multiplication before division, and that it has to do anything in brackets before it does multiplication, it also knows that it has to complete this entire sum, or this entire calculation, before assigning this value to the variable. Okay, so that's why the assignment operators are so low down on the precedence table. Okay, but like I said, I will leave this link in the description below, and you guys can come and check this out if you guys need any help, or you guys want to understand it a little bit more. There is a little bit of an article that you can read as well. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Please feel free to leave a comment, like or share the video. It's really going to help my channel grow, and I'll see you guys next time.